2018 CSC examination. I got Indian Police Service as my service and my cadre is Tamil Nadu. Currently I am on EWL. I have done my foundation course. I will be joining my phase 1 language. It shows what mentality you have. Even for international organization, internal security, border management, terrorism, these issues, money laundering and all that. There's a issue with the network. I'm trying my best. Yes, there is a network problem. I'm trying my best. Limit nahi khatam hui hai. Okay, so for ethics lexicon, and I have my classroom notes. Also, I was a student of Jamia Hamdard Residential Coaching Academy. So there also some classes were there, polity and ethics and IR, which were helpful to me. So these are the sources, and for current, I read the Hindu, I did Ankit Sir current affair classes, and I followed the Vision Monthly magazine. Also, I referred to PT 365 and Mains 365 of Vision for revision purpose. I also made my own notes while I was reading Hindu, especially on IR, and that also helped me a lot. Now something about answer writing. So now you have to write the answers. You have to continuously write for 3 hours. Now there are 7 papers and 2, the language papers. So when you are a beginner and you are starting to write the answers, reading daily newspaper will help you a lot. You will see the article, how they are written, especially the editorial. Editorial is a commentary on a topic and it has an introduction, body and conclusion part. So it is a very good example of how you should write one answer. So I'll suggest you to read newspaper a lot, read editorial and take like points from that. You'll learn how to write an answer. Initially it will be tough, but with practice you're going to be at ease. So don't worry if initially you face some problems. Now you should use simple words and write short statement. You don't need to write long statements or complicate it. So use simple word, write short statement. Structuring the answer, I think it is very much needed. I think it is must. So I used to write answer in the format of introduction, body and conclusion. Most of the people do that and I found it as a best format. Now in introduction, you can use like data, you can use definitions, you can define the term given there, you can give current information related to that term, or you can talk about its historical relevance or origin. Your introduction should be crisp, 2 lines, 3 lines, not more than that. Now coming to the body, body should be according to the demand of the question. If the question has subparts, then your body is also going to have subparts and you're going to address each part in your body. So you can use pointers here, you can make flowcharts here, you should address each subpart of the question in your body part. So you should write the important point first and then you should write the other points. Save 1 or 2 points that you will use in conclusion. Your conclusion should be positive and give 1 or 2 strong points while concluding. That should clear your position on the very issue. Now I'll talk something about presentation. For making your answer presentable, you should underline the headings, the subheadings, and the important lines, important statement or words you're trying to highlight. You should underline them. You can box them, and there should be clear headings and subheadings. Also, while you're writing the introduction, then you're coming to the body, so change the paragraph. Okay, so your intro, body, conclusion should be presentable and should be visible. Now you can use watch for practicing. So try writing an answer under 7 minutes. Okay, and before the exam, give full test. and try to complete the paper. So you have to complete the paper. If you're giving 7 minutes, you have enough time to read, to give a glance to your paper. That way you will understand if the paper is tough or it is not very tough, and which questions you can attempt first. Obviously attempt the 15 markers first, because you have to score as much as you can. So for 10 marker you can write, limit is 150 words, you can write 130 to 140 words. For the 15 marker, write 220 to 225 words. Prioritize the 15 marker and give 7 minutes to each question. Also, when you're going to write the exam, you can warm up yourself, like write for like 10 minutes before going to the exam. Before going to, entering the hall, you can write for 10-15 minutes. Now there are some terms used in the question, and many aspirants have asked how to address them. So I'll talk about these terms. If the question have critically evaluate, then you give the both sides and end with the side you agree on. So you're critically evaluating the issue given there. If the question says give an account, then you have to give a detailed description of the issue. If the question says comment, then you give major points and you tell that what opinion you have on those points. If it is about critically examine, then you give the details and facts that are very important and the reason why you think these details and facts are important. Okay. If they say compare, then you have to give the similarities and differences between the issues that are mentioned. If the question asks you to analyze, then look at the issue and look at its different parts and look at it deeply. Okay. If it says demonstrate, then you have to give examples also here.